Hello everyone. So on this day, the plan was to go on some family outing. We wanted to go to Central Park, Abuja. We wanted a place that the children will enjoy. So we decided to go to Central Park, Abuja. And so I called to confirm with our security personnel as to timing and if it was also a good idea to go as a family. But then we got an update from our private security personnel where he informed us that there was a protest going on in town and he advised that we do not go out on this day. And so we decided to stay indoors. Also, what we factored into consideration when planning any outing that was going to be involving the children was to consider timing. When I mean timing, I mean specific time range. So, from say 12 to 3 o'clock, the sun is going to be very scorching. It is going to be burning. So, what we did was avoid any appointments that will involve us taking the kids out of the house within that time range, especially if it was outdoor activities. And so we got an information not to leave the house that day, so we are going to stay indoors, which is also fun because we literally have a full house. And so it is never a dull moment with the kids, uncles, aunties, and grandparents. And so it is all good. I decided to put that day into good use because I did the laundry. Because it is a full house, we already had laundry piling. And thankfully, because of the laundry machine in the apartment, laundry went fast. Also, it did not rain on that day, so hanging the laundry also went well. One of the things that I like about the apartment was that there was enough space at the backyard to hang the laundry, and so that went well, and I enjoyed every bit of laundry time. While that was happening, the kids were nicely occupied with grandparents and papa, so everything went well. After the laundry, the next thing was to sort lunch. Thankfully, we had some food in the fridge, so I had rice and stew. The chef had gone to the market to get foodstuff for dinner. He was going to make okra soup, and I think he was also going to make more stew, more tomato stew.
Chef, I try to do this one like this.
Our chef was a very approachable and kind man, and he got me Agbalumo.
Mr. Martins, is this a surprise?
Okay.
Look, thank you.
When I was standing, I saw the woman saying,
I got to eat enough Agbalumo, and they were really tasty. Agbalumo is Agbalumo. It is also called Udara, and I think the English name is star fruit or star apple. I'm not very sure what the English name is, but it is called Agbalumo or Udara from where I am from. But on the internet, it is called star fruit. I have not had Agbalumo for a very long time, so I was excited when the chef got Agbalumo for me. Another exciting thing is that my mom got me cashew fruits. Guys, fun fact, I have not eaten fresh cashew fruit for over 10 years. That is because I have not come across fresh cashew fruits in the Netherlands. Maybe because I have not properly looked for it, or I haven't come across it in the Asian store or African store and some other international stores or supermarket I have visited, or even open markets. I have not come across fresh cashew fruits in a very long time. Please, if you are in the diaspora and you have bought fresh cashew fruit from a supermarket or a store at your location, especially in the Netherlands, kindly share in the comment section where you got your fresh cashew fruits. Anyway, since we did not get to leave the house on this day as planned, we thought it was a good idea later in the evening to take a walk around the apartment. So we needed to see what the neighborhood of where we were staying looked like. And it is quite a calm, beautiful neighborhood. I really like the location of the apartment, and I like how quiet and calm the neighborhood looked. And so I will be ending this video with a tour around the neighborhood, where you get to join us as we take a walk around the neighborhood. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, kindly drop them in the comment section. And also look out for more videos where I get to share our experience in Nigeria and how we navigated Nigeria. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.